Hi guys. Today I'm with Sparsh after really long. I think we're meeting after 1 month. And surprisingly, I told you guys in my previous vlog जब हमारे boats खत्म हुए थे. So when my boats got over, Sparsh and I filmed the vlog because she came to my house that day. And we had a sleepover and I got this tattoo. So नहीं यही था ना हाँ. Yeah, I got this tattoo and that day I told you guys that Sparsh and I are gonna get separated because we're going to 2 different colleges. And with Sparsh, the JNU thing happened because she was gonna go to JNU, and for me the Pearl thing happened. So now can you guys guess that Sparsh and I are still in the same college, and after school we're still together and we're in college together, but we have a lot of work to do. And starting I think 1 week we met, or I don't know, some days we met in the starting, but after that yeah, so the guard stopped me there for something. So like I was saying, Sparsh and I met for like 1 week when college started, and then she after college started I didn't go for about 15 days, and even she didn't go because both of us were really sick. And after that college started and then we had exams, so we couldn't really meet in college and stuff, and our college timings are 9 to 5. It's same for both of us. So Sparsh, what course are you doing?
Hotel management.
Yeah, so Sparsh is doing hotel management and I'm doing interior. And I'm going to tell you guys that I might be switching my course and taking visual communication. And that's a pretty long story, so I'm going to tell you guys how I would be doing that. And it's our best friend's birthday today. Aditi, if you're watching this, comment down below. So we are just going to Galleria. We have to pick up a couple of things for her, and we have some things in our hand already. So we're just on our way to Galleria. We have to get helium balloons and stuff, and then we'll be going to her house. And she doesn't even know we're coming because I had my exam till 5 o'clock today, and so I had my exam till 5 o'clock today, and it got over early because I told my sir that I have to go to Delhi. So he took my exam first, and then I called Sparsh. She's staying over the night, so we're gonna be vlogging. Aaj dinner mein jana hai? Yeah, so we have a lot of fun things to be doing today, and we're gonna be vlogging. Ek second ruk. We're gonna be vlogging, so yeah, stay tuned. Sir, say hi.
Hi.
मेरे को आता है, मैं करूँ?
ट्विस्ट करना है दिस वे। 1 2
उसके मुंह पे क्यों कर रही है? ऊपर कर, ऊपर
ऊपर हाँ ऊपर।
खुद ही खाना
यार
नो वर्ड्स आदिति।
नो यार मुझे हिंट।
कल मैंने इसको व्हाट्सएप में इतना लंबा मैसेज भेजा, कम से कम 1000 वर्ड्स होंगे उसमें, और ये क्या लिख रही है? 2 किसेस आई लव यू। मैंने कहा इतना लंबा मैसेज का बस इतना रिप्लाई।
डांट भी दी उसी बात।
थैंक यू आंटी।
ये सुनती मेरे से नहीं हो रहा।
चलो स्पर्श, तुमसे कुछ ना हो पाएगा। अब आप छोड़ो, तुमसे यही नहीं हो पाएगा। मेरे को ये कहाँ से कब?
देखो मैं एक्सपेक्टेड था, तो मैं ऐसे कर सकती है।
बिल्कुल एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था।
तभी तो किया। आज चल रहे हैं मोमोज खाने।
हाँ, मैं मोमोज के लिए तो आई हूँ। Aditi, can I show your photo wall?
Yo, yo, first.
Aditya, are you surprised?
Yes, very much.
This-
You missed my shocking.
नीचे करो. This is for my YouTube channel. Say hi.
Hi.
बोल hi guys.
Hi guys.
हाँ अब हम तुम्हें रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. बाल दिखा पीछे से.
भाई अभी तो मैंने. Thank you so much यार.
Happy birthday Aditi.
Thanks bro.
Sparsha बोलो comment down below and say happy birthday to her.
Comment down below to wish her happy birthday.
Bitch.
Wish me happy birthday guys. Yo.
मैंने शुरू कर दी है.
मोटी नहीं लगनी चाहिए मैं. करो.
कर. आज तो मेरे को करके दिखा. मेरे को बोल रही थी ना.
अब मेरे को लग रहा है मुझे ही करना चाहिए. पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे फील आ रही है.
बहुत टाइट है ये.
ऐसे इसके पापा या इसके भाई को बोल.
कहाँ से लाई है ये तू? छोड़ दो ये नहीं हो सकता आज. खुद के बर्थडे पे खुद ही.
इसे कहते हैं एक्साइटमेंट 18.
हाँ ये 18 की हो गई.
नाइस.
एक सेकंड के लिए मैं डर गई थी. थोड़ा अनएक्सपेक्टेड था कि आदित्य ये कर पाएगी.
पुलकित बैठेगा. ये बैठेगा. Come have a seat.
Sorry Aditi, we got no cake for you. अब स्वर्ग गाना गाएगी.
But come on sing guys. यार गाओ हदोगी. चारों के चारों कुछ नहीं गा रहे. मम्मा आप गाओ ये भाषण. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Aditi. Happy birthday to you. I love myself. So देखो ना मेरा भाई खाने वाला है ना मेरी माँ खाने वाली है. Only Malaika, Sparsh and Pulkit are gonna have cake. And Karan भी नहीं खाएगा.
इधर से स्पर्श. ये लो और इसको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ये ब्लैक और इसको बड़े अच्छे लग रहे हैं. और सही है.
क्या जगह देख रहा है. ये और दे दे.
ये ले मेरे फोन से भी बना.
मेरा अकेले जाना ही बेहतर होगा.
जैसी तुम्हारी मर्जी.
पूछने के लिए शुक्रिया.
तो उसने आज ही बात करी थी. उसने कहा मैंने अपने फ्रेंड को.
So like you guys saw, I just got an iPhone 7. So I didn't know that I was gonna get this, but my parents actually decided to gift me this. So it's actually rose gold in color and the box just looks like this. So let's open it up. So when you open it up, it comes with like a variety of things. It has stickers and like some instructions and stuff. And when you open it, I'm sorry I've already opened it up, but I'm just gonna unbox it again for you guys and just show you what it looks like. So here you just have like a couple of instructions and things. So when you open it up, here you have the charger. The charger looks like this, and it's just a normal iPhone charger. It hasn't changed, it's the same one as the iPhone 5 and 6. So it just looks like this. The plug is a little different than my iPhone 5 plug. I mean iPhone 6 plug. The other one was like this. So yeah, there's a little difference there. And the charger is like absolutely the same, there's no difference. Now moving on to the earphones, they look like this. They were fitted here and they just look like this, and they're normal earphones. The only difference is that instead of the aux thing, they have this charger jack. So the basic difference in the iPhone 7 is that there is no headphone jack. So you have to charge your phone and you have to listen to music from the same thing. So there is absolutely no headphone jack. There's just one compartment where you can put in things, and that's the charging point, and that is the headphone jack now. So apart from that, there is no difference in this. It looks the same, and yeah, it just looks like this. It's rose gold. The previous iPhone is right here. I'm gonna show you that as well. There's just one difference. There was a line here in the iPhone 6, but it's not in the iPhone 7. So my iPhone 6 is this one. I'm sorry, it's a little dirty. This is my iPhone 6. This is my iPhone 7. I had it in the gold color, champagne gold, and this is the rose gold. It looks just like pink. I don't even know why they're calling it rose gold. So yeah, it just looks like this. This is the only difference. Apart from that, you can't even tell which one is the iPhone 6 and which one is the iPhone 7. So yeah, like you can't really tell except for the broken screen here, but there's no difference. So nobody's even gonna know that you have an iPhone 7 because they can't really figure it out seeing it here. So there's no difference here. But one bad thing that one bad thing that I don't like about this is that there's just one port, so you can't listen to music while you're charging your phone, which is a bad part for me because I always have my earphones on whether my phone is charging or not. I know that's not nice, but yeah, that's the only thing I don't like about this. And yeah, apart from this, I heard earlier that the iPhone 7 has no like you're not supposed to plug in your earphones. They're completely wireless, and that's what I thought when I saw this. But when I opened it up, it had the wire wrapped around here, so I figured out that it's not that, and it was just a rumor. So yeah, you have a wire, but it's just that it's the charging point now and no headphone jack. And yeah, there's one more thing that you get in it, and this is the cable. So if you want to like plug in a music system, or you need like an aux to be put into this, you have to plug this in and then put the aux here, which I think is really stupid because you can't really carry this everywhere. It's so small, you're gonna lose this, and then again pay bloody $1,500 for this little wire. So I think that's really stupid, and now you can't really connect your aux to your music system, your phone. So yeah, that's kind of stupid, and I'm pretty sad about the fact that I can't keep my earphones on now. So yeah, this was like the little review of the iPhone 6. Overall, it's like a waste of money, to be honest, because there's just really no difference here. It looks the same. You can't even tell which one is the iPhone 7 and which one is the iPhone 6. So yeah, the features are almost the same except from the 3D touch and all those little features, but overall it's the same. So my mom is putting band-aid on my legs because I've got 3 corns. Dundo, hello बोलो मामा.
Hi guys.
स्पर्श तुम बोलो.
Hi guys.
ये है.
हाँ, एक वहाँ है, एक थंब के नीचे. क्या होगा इससे?
ठीक हो जाएगा.
खींचना मत अब बाहर. हाँ. स्पर्श तुम खाना नहीं खाओगी? क्यों? Okay. Sparsh doesn't want to eat food, so I'm having my regular chai and ras. Sparsh तुम्हें नहीं खाना? अच्छा होता है ये? खा ले. Finally decided to eat food. तू तो बोल रही थी मैं तू बोल रही थी मैं खाना नहीं खाऊंगी, क्या खा रही है ये? चल रहा
खा लो यार, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, पेट भी बढ़ता है, वजन भी नहीं बढ़ता।
हाय टिफनी, चलो चलो चलो, बाय बाय।
So like you guys just saw the previous clip, today is actually the Dandiya night in my society. So I was supposed to be going there, but Sparsh went today afternoon and we were out for a bit. And last night, if you've watched the whole vlog, you must have seen that I had momos and they were from GK, and I had them a couple of times before and nothing really happened to me. And if you guys don't know, food from outside doesn't suit me. I always get severe stomach pain and like food poisoning every time, so I'm actually not allowed to eat food from outside at all. But you know, and I love eating food from outside, so I can't resist, and sometimes I just do it. Not even sometimes, like most of the times I just end up eating, and then I have really severe stomach pain and stuff. But every time it's not that bad. Today it was so bad. Like literally from last night I didn't even vlog because I was feeling so sick, and from last night I've had a bad stomach pain, and while I slept it got okay, and then when I woke up in the morning I again had severe stomach pain. So since morning I've been eating different medicines and trying like home remedies and stuff, because my doctor is like always booked, and like she's the only doctor I go to. She's my childhood doctor. She's been seeing me since like forever. It's been 18 years actually. It's been like 10 to 15 years since she's been seeing me, and now like she's got so popular and stuff, and her appointments are always booked. Like for 5 days you don't get an appointment. So the next appointment was available on 12th of October, and obviously I couldn't wait till then, so I went to this hospital here and got a checkup done and stuff, because my stomach pain was so much, and they said that they would give me an injection, but I'm scared of injections, and I've got so many injections in this past 1 year that I just hate injections now, so I didn't want to get an injection. So he gave me a medicine, and then he knew that I have anxiety and stuff. Like looking at me, he told me that I think too much, and he said he would like to speak to me, so I had to wait there for a bit, and he gave me a couple of medicines. So I just got back home, and I was supposed to go for the Dandiya night today, but unfortunately I can't go now because I'm really sick. I also had fever, like I had severe stomach pain and body pain and stuff, and I also had food poisoning. So I got I got fever, and so my parents decided to take me because we couldn't wait for my doctor to get free till 12th October. So we just ended up going, and I just got back home. My dad has gone to get my medicines now, so we're just sitting, and I was sitting in the balcony, and I felt so sad because I wanted to go down and I didn't go. So yeah, that's like the end of my vlog today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. So this has been 2 days. My previous vlogs in this vlog were from the day before, that means yesterday, and today I vlogged again with Sparsh, but not too much because I had been sick since morning, so I'm sorry about that. And I hope you guys like this vlog, and make sure you subscribe to my main channel as well as this channel, vlogging channel. I'm gonna leave the links here. I'm gonna write the name somewhere here and put it down in the description box below, so make sure you go subscribe to both of my channels, and make sure you like this video. And yeah, that's it. Comment down below and tell me what you liked about this vlog, or do you like watching my vlogs, and anything you want actually. So yeah, I'm gonna see you soon. Bye bye.
Underneath the palm trees, you can leave your worries. Listen to the way they say you wanna